Hello everyone, welcome to our botany class. In today's class, we are going to know the information regarding a special guest in our subject, flower, and this is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, longitudinal section, LS of China rose or else Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Generally, we knew plant possessing different parts like root, stem, flowers, fruits, birds, leaves, etc. So, among these all parts, few parts are related to sexual and few parts are related to vegetative. So, flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Remaining all parts are known as vegetative parts. This flower participate in the sexual reproduction, in the sense production of gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Generally, flowers may be unisexual or bisexual. Uni in the sense possessing single reproductive part or system. Bisexual in the sense possessing both male and female reproductive parts or system. Let me go through the structure of the flower and the parts which are involved in the flower. This is the LS of flower, longitudinal section. Generally, all parts of the flower is located in the form of whorls. Total 4 whorls are located. Whorl number 1, whorl number 2, whorl number 3, whorl number 4. Totally 4 whorls. Let me see in each whorl what parts are located. Basically, plant parts discussion will be started from the small stalk. This stalk-like structure is known as pedicel. Flowers which are having the pedicel are known as pedicellate. The flowers which doesn't have the pedicel are known as sessile flowers. So coming to the next part of the flower, followed by pedicel, there will be a smooth, swollen, cushion-like green color structure is known as thalamus. On this thalamus, remaining all whorls or parts of the flowers are located or fixed. So first whorl is a group of sepals combined together called calyx. Leaflet-like structures called sepals, they form the calyx. Calyx participate in the protection of remaining parts of the whorls of the flower, and due to the green color, calyx also may participate in the photosynthesis. And coming to the next whorl, a group of petals combined together form corolla, which is colorful, attractive in nature. Due to this colorful corolla or petals, insects will be attracted. Then it helps in the pollination, whether it is a cross pollination or self pollination. Mostly self pollinated flowers, they doesn't contain beautiful and colorful corolla. Due to the different colorful petals, the main pigments are responsible. Those are called chromatophores. Okay. So, chloroplast is responsible for photosynthesis. These chromatophores or chromoplasts are responsible for coloring of petals. Generally, 5 petals in the sense dicot, 3 petals in the sense monocot. When the petals are fused, that is gamopetalous. When the petals are free, that is called polypetalous. So, here hibiscus is polypetalous. If we take the datura, that is gamopetalous, or it is also called homopetalous, no problem. Then coming to the next whorl, third whorl, this filament and anther, these two structures together called male reproductive part of the flower, or else stamen, or else androecium. So anthers produce the pollen grains which are known as male gametes of the flower. So the transformation of pollen grains onto the stigma is called pollination. Within the flower, if it takes place self-pollination, in between two flowers it will take place, that is called cross pollination. Again, cross pollination, two types, xenogamy, xytonogamy. In next video we will discuss in detail. Then coming to last whorl, that is stigma. Long tube-like structure is called style, and it is ends with swollen part is known as ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules are located. So these three parts together called gynecium or female reproductive part or carpel. Inside the ovary, ovules are located in their specific position. The location of the ovaries is known as, ovules. Location of ovules or arrangement of ovules is known as placentation. And the location and arrangement of these petals or corolla is known as aestivation. So here, ovaries may be few or many. So after pollination, pollen grains, they form the pollen tube. Inside the pollen tube, male germ cell and vegetative cell will be travelled through the style, finally reach the ovary, then enters into ovule for the fertilization process. The pollen tube may be enters into the ovule in different pattern, porogamy, chalazogamy, etc. In one more video we will be discussing. So finally, after fertilization, the entire ovary will be developed into a fruit and the ovules will be developed into seeds. So this is the explanation regarding our flower, LS of Hibiscus rosa sinensis. So dear everybody, in one more video we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Thank you everybody. Good luck.